When I met Kevin, he was very accommodating. First thing, he went to our old house and he looked around and he's like, this is a very sellable house. Anything that is under 200,000 in this area is going to sell fast. So I'm like, it just felt really, really comfortable from the very start that he could do what he was saying and he wasn't over-promising anything. He said that our house could probably sell easy below 200,000 because that market is just so hot. He didn't try to make it like, oh, I can do it 250. He didn't try to do that. It was just, you know. And he actually met my husband, and my husband is not a very friendly person. And he put my husband at ease, and that helped a lot. He helped me sell the house. Not only sell the house, he also helped me rearrange the house so that it would look better and to make it more sellable. And when the contracts came, and it came after 1 week of just listing. Actually, it happened the next day, but we gave it a week so that the offers that were coming in. He explained to me the contract and what was the difference between the two and what would I prefer to do. We actually got those offers, like I said, the day after listing or before the listing. But during the listing, there was more offers that were coming in, but we decided to actually get to narrow it down and say that, okay, so this offer is what I think what we want to get. And he helped me with that. Afterwards, because I had to buy the other house, he helped me with the inspections, with the testings that needed to be done, like radon testing and anything that needed to be fixed before we actually got to the house. And he just walked me through the whole process and just remained in our lives. After we even sold the house, I sold the house, bought the house, another house, and he was just there and just helping me in everything. So yeah, I would probably use Kevin again for other things. So how is Kevin different, basically? When I started looking around, trying to figure out how am I going to get to a new house when I have an old house and I don't really have a lot of money to spend in between to rent a house and get to look around. So I did talk to several agents. I've been going to open houses for about a month. And I was talking to this agent and I said, do I need to rent an apartment in between selling the house and then buying a new house? Or what do you suggest? And they all suggested that I should move out of the house. It just makes it easier to sell. And then and then buy the new house. But they didn't really explain to me what would go into doing something like that. All they cared about was that this is the down payment or this is the financing that would be available possibly. When we displayed our house, when we did our open house, he actually went around the house and, said, okay, arrange it this way so that it's more open. He even gave me a plant, eventually, for the patio, for where we had a display of lawn chairs and everything. He went out of his way to do the plants and to just look at everything and just everything. So definitely, I would recommend Kevin because it's not about the money for him. It's about, doing what needs to be done in order for the house to be sold or the house to be bought. Either way, and I'm just really happy with it.